YouTube, what's good? I'm back. Got these sidewalks, this driveway, that front walkway, and this house to wash. See this? Them folk done had theirs done. Not doing the curbs. I don't think I quoted her for them sidewalks, but since it's a referral, I'm going to throw them in for free. I'm going to do them anyway. Good marketing for me. And I'm looking out for a friend that referred me to these folks, so they going to refer me to somebody too. We're not doing none of this. Just the house. Just the house. No concrete. Just the house. Well, I am cleaning up on the hill. I'll wash up on the hill too. Make that look good. I'm gonna get a before picture of that, because that's gonna look good. I can market that. I can touch them up with my turbo nozzle and make them look real good going on around. The little bricks right there. Put my solution on that. Clean that up real good. Yeah. Nice neighborhood. It's a referral. They ain't got no mailboxes I can't promote like I like to promote. They ain't got the mailboxes. I'm about to set up, y'all. It's just these two squares right here. Down there, y'all can see where I'm gonna stop at. There you go. I got all my prep work done. All through there. All up through here. I cleaned all this up already. Got all that cleaned up. The lip. Cause all that stand out too. So I got all that cleaned up. I'm about to apply my solution. And then I'm gonna start on the sidewalks first, and then I'm gonna come up and work my way down with the surface cleaner. Waiting for my solution to come through. There we go. Since I already did all that, I'm gonna go on and pre-treat it. Post-treat it. Really, it's getting post-treated. I watered all the flowers, all the grass, everything wet right now. So I ain't worried about my solution doing nothing to nothing. I want to spray my solution on here. I'm limited on solution right now, so I got to be quick with it. All my solution count today, guys. I got to go and reload tomorrow on solution. So all the solution I got right now, I need it to last for the day. All my solution is on that part. I don't want it thick. I don't like all that solution thick on mine, cause I don't like all them suds. I don't like all that sudsy. I don't like for all them suds to be on the grass. On the concrete when I'm working. I put just enough surfactant in my mix for me to see it and for it to stick. You know what I'm saying? I like mine's kind of straight, man. Alright, concrete is pre-treated. I'm about to start surface cleaning these sidewalks, and then I'm gonna go, you know what? I think I may start from the top and work my way down. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I think I may go and wash the side of this house while I'm waiting on my solution. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go and wash this side of the house. Go on and get it over with while I'm waiting on my solution to dwell. While I'm getting dwell time, I'm gonna go and wash this side of the house, come back, do all of this concrete, and then I'll be done and I can just start washing from like right here on around. It's gonna be easy. Let's go. I applied the chemical to this side and the other side. I'm finna rinse both sides, and then I'm gonna start on the concrete. Do all of that, then wash the front and the back. Got a lot of this surface cleaning in, y'all. Stop right there. I did from right there, all of this. And then rinse all this real quick. And finish down there and that little part of the sidewalk. And I wash that side and that side of the house. I gotta do the front and the back. 9:47. I started in 9:19. Comment down below if you think I'm doing good so far. If you think I'm doing good so far, comment down below. I'm about to post-treat everything. There we go. I'm about to post-treat all of this, and then I'm about to wash the front of the house and the back of the house, and I'm out of here. Post-treat everything first. I'm about to put a Southwash system, a 12-volt. I had one in the storage, but I threw it away, man. I ain't gonna lie. That thing wasn't talking about nothing. I used it wrong. My first diaphragm pump I had, I used it wrong. I was using it for everything. I mean, washing houses. I wasn't even downstreaming. When I was seeing how fast that solution was taking that mold and mildew off of them houses, man, I wasn't even downstreaming. I was straight, and that's the wrong way to use them pumps. You really supposed to, in my opinion, you really supposed to use them for concrete only. Pre-treating, post-treating concrete. bricks, stucco if you need it for stucco, stuff like that. Stuff like that. You know. Alright, we got this concrete done up here. I'm about to start washing in front of this house and the back. I'm gonna show y'all what everything look like when I'm done. Rinse this back down back here again. Y'all can see I'm hitting them peaks real easy, like no problem from a distance. Touching them, busting them down real quick. Oh yeah. Definitely didn't come out here to play. This thing clean, man, you know what I'm saying? All the way around up in here. Every point, concrete. Sidewalks. House clean. I'm just gonna rinse this back part down one more time. But for the most part, it's clean. All this clean. It's wet, but it's clean. It's still wet, but it's clean for sure. All the way around. It's wet. When it dry, gonna look like it just got painted. Clean up through here. Bricks looking good. Clean on this side. This side came out amazing. Clean. This the hot side right here. It get more. This side right here gonna discolor sooner or later because it get hot over here. It get hot on this side. And there we go, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. And we out here.